Hello guys, we are playing Pet Simulator and welcome back to the series of making.
And we're with me, Hamza.
Yeah, he's my friend and yeah, we are gonna be playing Pet Simulator and we're doing a series you probably know. I'm gonna link the two other ones in the description down below, and it's the trying to make a Dark Matter series. So yeah, cause guys, we are.
Guys, I also have a YouTube channel called Hamza7860X1. And by the way, no space, capital H, and then no, and then A, and then
Because there's a
60X1. Just saying, you can
yeah.
subscribe to my channel and turn the notification.
Yeah, because there's space in between there, guys. But when I have the tab up, I'm just going to pause the video for a sec. So, guys, we're back and we're just opening eggs today. Oh. Yeah. His YouTube channel, guys, are like, there's a space between it, and I think the two X2. So, yeah. I can hear the echoes from the phone, guys. Keep Guys, I'm almost able enough to make another rainbow. Kind of. Who's speaking? Hi, Millie. Say hi to YouTube, sis. Because some reason, just say hi to YouTube.
No, I have £26,000.
Good. And I also got the game pass that lets you open 3 eggs at once.
That's just weird.
I know.
You can go jailbreak. I don't know what happens in jailbreak, but I think you might get hacked.
Yeah, I'm just.
You still have Robux. How much was it for?
What?
The game pass.
I don't know.
Well, who got it for you?
I'm gonna look on the primary shop. I think it's off sale.
Hi, boys! Oh!
Oh my god.
Did you transfer or did you?
It's so loud. Please, guys, it's so loud on the YouTube video. Oh my god, they don't have enough space, guys. Oh my god. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where the eggs are. You're on top of. Yay! I can make another gold. Yeah. I don't really care about gold. Anymore. I'm doing a video of this. Yeah.
You're doing our series of it.
I'm gonna keep opening more eggs.
Why?
Because I got so much money.
But this isn't really me.
Yay, get more guys. Just ignore those people. Who's connecting? Who needs connecting? Oh, no. 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 No, get this person away. I'm doing a YouTube video.
Me?
Don't call your friend. I'm doing a YouTube video. It's not gonna be a million. Yes, a million people. It's not gonna be.
My name's not Chameleon. Stop calling me Chameleon. Oh, I just done it again. It's just to the next day. It's just
My
to the next day.
Oh my god.
Chameleon.
Guys, just ignore them. It's just.
No, I tried catching me.
No. No. No.
No, my brother's calling you. He's not here. He's like downstairs. Lord, I go to all these eggs. And I'm gonna jump to you. Oh no, I fell.
You're not going to my head.
Yeah,
Fine.
yeah. Not so much money, cash, and donuts. I got on your head.
Mil, can I show? Oh, Millie, I'm gonna show you how much pets I got. You left. Oh, you're not even on the game.
Should I go?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm joining the game. Oh! Okay, I'm here. Joining the game now.
Good.
Just going on now. Oh, Noel's here now.
Guys, I two more rainbow spikes until I can get a dark matter.
I got you.
Oh my god, there's my sister just screamed.
From this game.
Yes.
I swear I bought something. When did you become so rich on this game?
Someone traded me the bestest pet that they got. Not really. Probably the worst, but it's so good. And the Game Pass. Yeah. I got delete. I can hear my voice echoing because my sister's only like a few meters away.
Yeah, I know what I'm saying.
And it's annoying.
No! Okay, I'm going the game.
Okay, good.
Which world are you in?
The moon, just the normal one at the start.
Oh, Lord, someone called you a dude.
I know. I don't care.
You
Free.
Oh, it says Lord, your sister joined this game. Hey, bro, can I play with you? Look. Give me one. Give me the box. Give me one of your cats yesterday. I got you after you could trade with me.
I know.
Okay. No! Those people really battled the cat yesterday. I really appreciate it. The cat that you gave me jailbreak. Oh,
I wasn't giving her this.
how much cat do you have in jailbreak?
Mel, don't trade me anything. Don't trade me anything.
Okay. Really, how much cat do you have in jailbreak? Like 170. No, like 100. Yeah. 1,000 cows. Wait, what? Wait, I have like 100,070. Go enough for the lava. Do you have enough for the Lamborghini? Yeah, I have.
Guys, just ignore them. They're talking about jailbreak.
No, did you see to have a Lamborghini?
I think I don't know. I'm gonna ignore
No,
them, guys. You can hear me. So guys, we're gonna end the video right here. So I guess this is goodbye. So bye.
That's all.
Say bye.